What's up, flawless gang? So I'm back with a brand new video. Today we're working with Alipearl hair. So they sent me over a melt band, a silk wrap, an edge brush, another like elastic bands, a pair of lashes of course, and then of the standard wig cap in the box, along with a storage bag to store your unit in, with a information card on how to take care of your wigs, wash them, and maintain them. So here is the unit right here. This is a 18-inch HD lace, I believe 13 by 4. I believe this is kinky curly as well. This is a bob unit. I've never had a curly bob, so this is my first one. We got an elastic strap, full lace. Y'all see, it's not one of them lace where you get like no parting space. You have full parting space with this unit. I love it. And the HD lace. That's the perfect combination. So when I put this wig on, y'all see my face. I was like, no, this is giving Tina Turner Shaka Khan, child. Okay, I was like, this is not gonna work. Like, why would I ever put this on my head? So I was like, Alipearl, are y'all trying to play me right now with this wig? So I was like, you know what, we gonna give it a try. You know, you gotta give it a little try first. So I was fluffing it out, trying to, you know, feel the vision, because I wasn't seeing it. Of course, you know, bust down middle part, we're doing that along with some baby hairs on this one. Y'all know I really have been loving the no baby hair look. I feel like I really am outgrowing it. But you know, certain units I feel like need baby hairs, and I feel like curly units need baby hairs just because it's curly. It just gives the look a different feel. So first steps, when you're doing the install, of course, cut your ear tabs out. I do that first. A lot of people might do it after, but I like to know where I'm gluing at, so I know I'm not wasting no product and exactly where I'm putting it. So I like to cut my ear tabs first, so that's out the way and it fits my head perfectly. One thing I love about this wig though is like it looks like my natural hair. Like when I literally was putting it on, like it never had a wig that just resembles my natural hair so much. Like this looks like my hair when I wash my hair. Like it's crazy, and my hair shrinks up just like that, and it be long down my back. It's crazy. Y'all know my glueless install method. I have been using the Wig Dealer gel. I tell y'all, that's my favorite thing, and that spray is goated. Like them two together, your install is gonna last as long as you wrap it. Now this blow dryer, child, let me tell you about this blow dryer from Blowpro. This is my new favorite blow dryer. Look at the light. Have you ever seen a blow dryer with the light in it? No, you haven't. So Blowpro has the best blow dryers on the market, and this is the limited edition colorway that they have for the blow dryer. I love it so much. It has a cool setting, it has a hot setting, has a light, and it has a little cute little lip attachment, so when you can do blowouts and stuff like that. This blow dryer is the ultimate blow dryer, and it's my client's new blow dryer for them. So I love this so much. Thank you, Blowpro, for sending me this. I have a coupon code as well, guys. You guys want to check this out. This touts my Silverbird. I'm not even gonna lie, that's the pride, one of the best and most known blow dryers in the game. But this one right here, I'm telling you, this takes Silverbird by far. So check out Blowpro, y'all. Get y'all this blow dryer. It's amazing. I'm telling you, it's like a real salon grade hair dryer. I love it so much, and check it out. So now going back into the wig install, y'all know I laid my lace with that gel. I put it right onto the gel. What you do with Wig Dealer, this gel, you use cool air, not heat. Now a lot of gels and stuff, you use heat to adhere it. You use cool air. Do not put heat on this gel when you're laying it down. This is the best gel I have ever used in my life. I will never go back to how I was doing my wigs. I love how my wigs lay with this. It just gives scalp every time. And of course the metal comb just is another chef kiss touch to the install. I recently started using it, and I love it on my clients. I have a silver one, a gold one for them, and I use a silver one for myself. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all keep on watching. This install is gonna be very simple and straightforward. Y'all know curly installs really are not much to talk about. So I will come back when I am starting to style the hair and give you guys my update and final review on the wig.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA. So I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe. Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, looking.
Yo, one time for the reveal, please let's see the scalp. Yeah, it's giving scalp every time. Melted by Miss Marie. I do this in real life. Y'all can book me on my booking site, y'all, in the PA area, period. I have girls literally come down from hours away to come see me. So y'all come book with me and get y'all appointment. You know, installs are under 100, so make sure y'all book y'all appointment, period, okay? I'm gonna get you right. And y'all see the wig though, like it's just so melted in scalp. Like I love it. So we gonna get into these baby hairs. How I do my baby hairs, I feel like I'm about to switch the gel I use. I'm not really feeling the Gorilla Snot. I mean, it's cool, but I feel like it's really messy. I don't know. It's cool, but I think I'm going to get my hands on that ORS olive oil grip gel, whatever that Arrogant Tape was using and stuff. I'm going to try that. I heard it's really good. I had the spray. I love the spray, but I haven't had the gel, so I think I'm going to do that for my baby hairs. Especially, you can't use Gorilla Snot when you're doing like 613 because the baby hairs are going to turn yellow. So you got to have something that's clear, which the olive oil gel is clear, so that's perfect. But I'm just going to part out a couple of my baby hairs and do some sideburns and just swoop them with the Gorilla Snot along with my favorite mousse, Cream of Nature. That's my favorite mousse ever. It does not lift the lace and it has no alcohol in it, so that's my favorite mousse ever. I put you on. That's my favorite one. I only use that ever when it comes to anywhere near my lace. So once I do this, y'all, that's pretty much it. I use the Mayel curl smoothie this time. I normally use the leave-in conditioner, but I wanted to try the curl smoothie and I loved it. That product was amazing. I really did love the way it made my curls look so pretty. I'm going to give you guys my final review now since we are pretty much at the wrap up of the video. So my overall review of the wig, this is my first time working with Alipearl and they definitely exceeded my expectation. I always wanted to work with them and I'm so glad I got the opportunity to work with them. This hair was amazing. I've been seeing it trending on TikTok. They've been really getting a lot of the influencers to promote this wig and I see why, because this wig is amazing. Curly bobs are slept on and y'all need to wake up because this bob is amazing, and Alipearl is going to be the wig that you need to invest your money in to last you a long time. You get HD lace, you get tons of free gifts that a lot of companies do not even give you. They barely even give you a wig cap nowadays. Like Alipearl is giving you everything you need in the box. They have HD lace, you have a elastic band inside, you have full lace parting space. What's not to love? And then the curls are beautiful once you fluff them out and once you get them nice and hydrated and refresh them. The wig is beautiful. I love it so much. It's definitely one of my favorite units right now, and curly wigs are in as we are approaching the summer and the hot weather is on its way. So y'all grab this wig. I love it. It is definitely Shalisha Marie approved, and Alipearl, you guys are Shalisha Marie approved. I loved working with you guys. It was a smooth collaboration. Thank you so much for sending this wig over. I really appreciate you guys so much. I hope we can work together again in the future. But guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have a vlog, well, actually a couple vlogs for y'all coming up. So this will be the last hair video for a minute probably. I'm doing a collaboration with Bobby Boss, so that will come after a couple vlogs drop. But y'all, your girl's working with Good America, child. They done reached out, want to send your girl somewhere, period. I will drop more details on my TikTok. Follow me on there. That's where the campaign will be hosted. And I will have the vlogs ready for you guys after this video drops. I'll probably drop a vlog this weekend. I'm very busy right now with install appointments. May has been so busy. I'm so grateful, but it has been very busy for me. So please bear with me. But I will be getting you guys some content out. Nonetheless, I love you guys so much. Follow all my social media platforms. That's where I'm at. Currently, I'm taking my break from social media. If you guys follow my main page, I told myself I'm just like really tired of Instagram. I've been tired of it for a minute. I feel like it's been mentally draining for me, and mental health is really important. It's Mental Health Awareness Month, and take care of yourself, guys. Seriously, if you guys feel like, social media just being a lot, step back and take a break. It's never, nothing to feel bad about. If, you feel like social media is just a lot, it can be a lot. And I feel like I've never had like anxiety on social media where I feel like whenever I post something, I want to delete it. Y'all know I've been on the social media eye for years. I've never had a feeling where I feel like I want to delete stuff when I post it. Like, I've never felt that way. So I feel like I need to take a break. I need to step back. and I just been on my hair page, just really locked in with the the business aspect of things, and life been good, you know what I'm saying? I just been really gathering myself together, and I'll come back whenever I feel like it. But right now I'm taking a break from the main page for sure. It's just draining. I just don't like the way Instagram is. It's just too much fake stuff going on over there, and I don't really care for it. It's just too much. I can't, and it's just draining my mental, so I gotta take care of myself first. So nonetheless, I love y'all so much. Take care of yourself this month, y'all. Also, happy almost Cinco de Mayo. Make sure y'all take a shot for me, okay? Period. But nonetheless, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will catch y'all back really soon with a vlog coming this week and some other vlogs coming along this month of May. So stay tuned. I love you guys so much, and I will catch y'all back in my next video very soon. Bye, everyone. Mwah.
Safe, so you're my favorite mistake.